High-quality solar garden lights. High conversion efficiency. The material of the flower is PEVA plastic, odorless, soft and elastic, easy to use and waterproof. Place the decorative solar garden lights on the ground. No wiring or external power is required, making it the perfect solar decoration for the outdoors, suitable for decorative garden, courtyard, balcony. Magic Light Up Thumb Finger. 100% brand new and high quality material, Evade glue, suitable for most people's thumb or finger. Great fun for party. Small, portable and easy to use. Wine bottle lights with cork. 6.6 feet silver wire cork lights, battery operated fairy mini string lights for liquor bottles, craft party, wedding, Halloween, Christmas decor. The wire parts are made of silver's coated copper wire, which are flexible and durable. Use the bottle lights to light your wonderful life.